This is Uline's unique sit-stand work stool. This stool is designed to be leaned on, making it ideal for warehouse line workers. Its large 17.5-inch wide seat provides more support, while its reinforced pedestal base with 5 legs and large feet provides stability. And it features a heavy-duty 350-pound capacity. The seat height is adjustable from 22 to 32 inches, making it ideal for use at both standard height and counter height tables. The seat tilts to provide optimal comfort and support, and it swivels 360 degrees, making it easy for users to change posture and position, reducing leg and back strain. The seat is made of long-lasting, easy-to-clean polyurethane that resists stains, chemicals, and punctures. Uline's sit-stand work stool is in stock and ready for delivery from any of our locations in North America. All your office furniture solutions are at Uline.